Hello everyone, my name is Lisette and I'm very happy to share with you La Trigueña, a traditional brand from Chiapas that produces handmade flour tortillas. Our mission is to bring the authentic taste of Mexican tradition to everyone on the table with love, care, and dedication. We know that food is more than just nutrition. It's about emotion, connection, and family moments. In this video, I'll show you our marketing plan, future goals, and how we'll use technology to share our story with more people. Content. Objective of the marketing strategy, market segment, marketing proposal, content and resources, and budget. Objective of the marketing strategy. La Trigueña will be positioned as a leading brand of artisanal flour tortillas in southeastern Mexico. It will increase its recognition through viral campaigns and a strong digital presence that will connect with young adults aged 22 to 55 who are interested in local natural products with history. Market segment. The chosen segment will consist of mothers, micro-entrepreneurs in the food sector, and young adults who will value artisanal, accessible, and local products. This audience will consume content on platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and local news sites, so the advertising media will be chosen where it will be most likely to capture their attention. We know how important it is for you to give your family the best. That's why every tortilla is made with care and tradition. Marketing proposal. La Trigueña will not only taste good, sabe a Chiapas. People will share how they enjoy their La Trigueña tortillas, tostadas or frituras, and together we will show the world why the flavors of Chiapas will reach every corner of the country. Powerful and cultural hashtag #SabeAChiapas short video challenge show how you use La Trigueña product in a traditional dish. Incentive weekly prizes for the most shared videos. Visual aesthetic, colors, sounds, and traditional Chiapas music. Local partners, restaurants, fondas, and traditional cooks. Video launch features a traditional cook preparing a typical dish using La Trigueña. Publication of the viral challenge on social media Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Promotions in partner stores using stickers, flyers, or QR codes to participate. Content and resources. TikTok and Instagram Reels featuring recipes or family moments. Local Facebook and sales group. Chiapas Cuisine. WhatsApp via chain letters or point-of-sale promotion. Influencers and traditional cook in the region. Budget. You deserve high-quality food that fits your budget, and La Trigueña makes it possible. Concept: Production of the launch video. Estimated cost: 3,000 pesos. And estimated cost: 12,000 pesos. La Trigueña not only feeds, it also tells a story. Thank you for your attention.